Namaste students, are you safe at home? Okay, let's start our class. Students, today we discuss about the addition of money and the subtraction of money. First we discuss about addition of money and suppose the addition is needed when we purchase anything from a shop. Okay, for example, if I purchase one ice cream, that 4 rupee 46 and a chocolate for rupee 11. Okay, then what is the total cost? Then at that time we simply add this 46 plus rupee 11 like this way. The money addition is also similar or the same as the normal our addition. Already we studied the addition that way. The same way we can add the money also. Then 4 plus 6 that we know. So 6 plus 1 that we know, that is 7, and 4 plus 1 that is 5. So 57. So you must write the symbol of rupee before this amount. Okay, the total cost is rupee 57. The same way, another example, if I purchase one packet of rice, the rice that has rupee 450 and a toy car for rupees 270, then what is the total cost? To find the total cost, we simply add these two amounts. 0 plus 0, yes, 0. Then 5 plus 7. We know 5 plus 7, that is 12. 2 should be right here and 1 carry is there, and that carry should be right the next position, above this next position. Okay, then 1, that is the carry 1. 1 plus 4, that is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Then our total amount is rupee 720. Okay. Next we discuss about this subtraction of money. Already we study how to subtract. The same way we subtract the money also. Okay, the subtraction is necessary when we purchase anything from the shop and we want to find what is the balance amount. That situation we need subtraction. Okay, for example, if I have this amount, already have this amount for rupee 565, and I buy a teddy bear. For the teddy bear have the rupee 400. Okay, then how much money is now left? That I want to know. How much money is now left? So we want to know this balance amount. We simply subtract these two amount. Already we know when we subtract a number, that should be only possible from the bigger amount. So 565 minus 400. Then 5 minus 8. That is 5 minus 0. Yes, 5 itself. And 6 minus 0. 6 itself. And 5 minus 4. That is 1. So here also before the amount you should write the symbol of the money. Okay, and the balance amount or the left amount is 165. Another example, if Rahu purchase, already he has the amount 122. That boy that has 122, and then he purchased one textbook. The cost of the textbook is rupee 85. Then he want how much money now left with him. How much money left with him. Here also we subtract. Okay, here the subtraction we know 2 minus 5 It's not possible, so we simply take one borrow from here. That number is became 12, and here the number is 1 itself. And 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, that is 7. And here the balance number is 1. 1 minus 8, it is not possible to subtract. That's why we again take one borrow from the 100 place. Now the number is became 11, and here 0. And 11 minus 8, 11 minus 8, that is 3. So now he has the amount rupee 37. Once more, if you who purchase one textbook, the cost of textbook is 85, and all before that he has already before that he has the amount 122. So after purchase, he want to know how much money left with him. How much money left with him. ബാക്കി എത്ര അവൻ്റെ കയ്യിലുണ്ടെന്നറിയാം. So he subtract the 122 minus 85. Now he has the amount rupee 37. Every time you remember, before going to subtraction or addition, you must write the symbol with this answer and this amount also. Okay, and every time you write the rupees in before this amount. Okay, this much only. And today you have one homework that I will upload it in the Google Classroom. Okay, you download and write it in your notebook.